Well, hello folks, I'm L.A. Little and this is today's short take. You know, one of the most dangerous things you can do when trading is to assume that you have the information needed when in fact you don't. Yesterday I had said, on the evening broadcast, I had talked about this particular setup and that we had an inside day. In other words, we had a big bar down and then the next day traded inside that bar. It wasn't out, it wasn't above it, wasn't below it. When you have that kind of situation, it usually doesn't tell you anything. What tells you something is some area of significance. Above price here, we could tell that this area right here was significant. And what happened? Well, yesterday we got more of a clue. In other words, it went up, it tested this area, buyers stepped away, refused to buy anymore, and when that happened, we ended up seeing price come right back down, closing the lows. Now we have an area of significance underneath us. In other words, this little area right here is significant. If we close underneath that, there's not much left until we get down here to the bottom. So at this particular point, we have more evidence that the buyers are unwilling to buy at higher prices. If they're unwilling to buy at higher prices, then the question is where are they willing to buy it? Will it be lower or will it be higher? We've already answered one question. This is the question next. Will they buy at the lower prices, or will the sellers be willing to continue to sell at the lower prices? If so, then we're going to head all the way back down to the bottom most likely. There's not much in between. And it won't be long before we know, because we're probably going to test that area today and we'll see which is the case. That is today's short take.